Today we will travel part of Clarence Drive, Gordons Bay in the Western Cape. Clarence Drive is a mountain pass crossed by the R44 road between Gordons Bay and Rooi Els. The tourist route is 22 kilometers long and provides a panoramic view of False Bay, the coastline, Table Mountain, and parts of the Cape Peninsula. The nearby coast is popular with anglers and whale watchers, and Kogel Bay Resort is particularly sought after by surfers. The drive follows the east coast of False Bay in Western Cape, South Africa, and connects Strand with Hanklip to the south, similarly of Chapman's Peak. The road begins near Gordons Bay, winds south over the mouth of the Steenbros River and proceeds past Kogel Bay, Sparks Bay and Rooi Els to near Pringle Bay. Here the pathway forks, with one road going near Cape Hanklip and the other lifting into Betty's Bay. A section of Clarence Drive, which runs from Gordons Bay to Betty's Bay, will remain closed for the rest of this year. This after significant damage following heavy downpours in September, as well as a number of significant landslips and rockslides along the scenic route leading to the coastal town of Kleinmond. Clearing continues as areas become stable enough to work on, but the main priority remains to enable one lane of traffic to use the road until such time as two-way traffic can be restored, said Provincial Infrastructure Minister Tertulus Simmers. Current indications are that repairs to the route will cost close to 70 million rand. Currently motorists traveling from Kleinmond are able to travel as far as Rooi Els. Motorists from Gordons Bay are only to travel as far as Kogel Bay. No travel is possible between Kogel Bay and Rooi Els. The Department of Infrastructure is not able to make a clear commitment regarding the date on which one-way traffic will be reinstated between Kogel Bay and Rooi Els, because the nature of the works exposes areas that become unstable, which might pose a risk to road users, Simmers elaborated. The aim remains to restore access between these 2 points during the festive period, but it is not clear whether this will be possible. However, he said road users should assume the road will be closed during the holidays, unless otherwise communicated by the department. Simmers said even when one-way traffic is allowed, based on construction requirements, there is a high likelihood of extended closures or days at a time. the department advised regular road users to use alternative routes for extended period. Simmers expressed his extreme concern on the number of pedestrians, cyclists and motorcyclists who disregard the closure signs, still using the closed-off section. He pleaded that all road users refrain from using the road until it is reopened. The closure of the section of the Scenic Road is affecting businesses and towns along the route. Annie Van Wyk, co-owner of the Thirsty Oyster in Gordons Bay, said liken the situation to swimming upstream and just not getting out of overdraft after winter. We had people casually come and go over or coming back on Clarence Drive every day, especially Sundays, she said. But now there's just no passing traffic. We have to be visitors' choice of destination or we get skipped, because they travel on a different route. Mark Flea, an adventure consultant at the Gordons Bay Tourism, said the closure and damage of Clarence Drive has had a damaging effect as well as some unexpected positive twist. The closure has limited visitors' access to arguably the most scenic coastal road in the Western Cape, truly a great loss of opportunity to highlight our abundance of natural beauty and a great many of the outdoor activities and attractions in the area, he said. Though the situation is not completely without surprises, as there has been a surge in mountain bike rentals in Gordons Bay, by both local and international guests. This has been a boon to local suppliers. Upon inquiry, the city of Cape Town confirmed the popular camping destination, the Kogel Bay Resort, will remain closed. All affected clients were promptly informed of the development by the city and have been presented with alternative options. Clients were given the choice either transfer their reservations to another campsite or opt for a cancellation with a full refund, city stated. To ensure continuity of service, the city has reallocated camping sites to affected clients at Hendon Park, Harmony Park and Voortrekker Park.